what if the coldest place on Earth isn't just frozen? It's hiding something. Beneath Antarctica's thick ice lies a buried world we're only just beginning to uncover. From hidden lakes and ancient mountains to strange magnetic anomalies and even signs of ancient civilizations. What's down there could change everything we think we know about Earth. This isn't just about ice. It's about mystery, discovery, and the possibility that the final frontier isn't space. It's right under our feet. You're watching Interestingly Quick, and today, we're diving into the secrets buried beneath Antarctica's frozen skin. Antarctica is massive, over 5.4 million square miles, making it the 5th largest continent. But 98% of it is buried under ice, in some places nearly 3 miles thick. If all that ice melted, global sea levels would rise over 200 feet. But even more astonishing, under that ice lies an entirely hidden landscape: mountains, valleys, lakes, and canyons. It's not just a block of frozen water. It's a buried world, locked away for millions of years. And only now are we finding ways to explore it without digging straight through miles of solid ice. In 1996, scientists discovered Lake Vostok, a body of water buried under 2 miles of ice. It's as big as Lake Ontario, and completely sealed off from the surface for over 15 million years. Scientists have found over 400 subglacial lakes across Antarctica. Some contain microscopic life, thriving in complete darkness, extreme pressure, and zero sunlight. These ecosystems offer a window into early Earth, and maybe even life on other planets. If life can survive here, it might survive beneath the ice on Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa. Hidden beneath the East Antarctic ice sheet lies a mountain range the size of the Alps, called the Gamburtsev Mountains. First detected by radar, these peaks rise over 10,000 feet, but they're completely buried under ice. Scientists have no clear idea how they formed or why they remain so preserved. Some believe they could be 1 billion years old, predating the current land formations we know. If these mountains had rivers, forests, or life long ago, their secrets are locked in cold silence, waiting for us to break through. Beneath all that ice, researchers have mapped vast underground canyons, some over 600 miles long. One, called the Denman Canyon, reaches deeper than the Grand Canyon, nearly 2 miles below sea level. These canyons likely connected ancient river systems or once drained into inland seas. Many are still filling with water from melting ice above, creating underground rivers flowing right now, completely invisible from the surface. Antarctica isn't static. It's moving beneath the ice, with water constantly carving through its ancient foundations. In the 1950s, during Operation High Jump, U.S. Navy planes detected strange magnetic anomalies beneath the Antarctic surface. One of the largest was found near Lake Vostok, suggesting the presence of metallic or artificial structures deep below. While natural explanations like unusual rock formations exist, the precision and scale of some of these anomalies have fueled wild theories. From underground bases to remnants of ancient civilizations. The truth, we still don't know. And until we drill further or scan deeper, those signals remain part of Antarctica's unexplained code. Believe it or not, Antarctica was once warm, covered in rainforests with rivers and reptiles. In 2020, scientists drilled into the ice and discovered fossilized roots, pollen, and forest soil 900 miles from the South Pole. The samples dated back 90 million years, when temperatures were similar to today's northern Europe. This means Antarctica once hosted thriving ecosystems and possibly early species we haven't identified. Those fossils are still buried across the continent, offering a prehistoric snapshot of a forgotten world. Antarctica is one of the best places on Earth to find meteorites. Because the ice is so clean and white, any dark rock stands out. But many meteorites don't just sit on the surface. They're trapped in deep ice flows, slowly migrating toward glacier edges. Scientists estimate thousands of meteorites remain buried, including possible pieces from Mars and the Moon. Studying them could unlock information about the early solar system, or even organic molecules from space, hidden under the coldest continent on Earth. Some fringe researchers point to satellite images showing strange symmetrical structures in the ice, shapes that look unnatural or artificially carved. While many are likely ice formations or optical illusions, they've sparked theories of lost cities beneath the Antarctic crust. Ancient myths like Atlantis or Hyperborea are often linked to Antarctica. Though mainstream science hasn't found any human-built structures, The question lingers, what if humans, or another intelligence, reached Antarctica before we thought possible? The harsh environment may have buried more than just ice. Only a fraction of Antarctica has been excavated, and almost none beneath the ice. Yet scientists have already found fossils of ancient marine reptiles, bird-like dinosaurs, and primitive mammals. That means entire fossil beds may be trapped below the glaciers, untouched for tens of millions of years. What if we find new species, or transitional fossils that explain how life evolved? The continent might be Earth's deepest biological archive, preserving secrets from before the extinction of the dinosaurs. Beneath the West Antarctic ice sheet lies a chain of over 100 volcanoes, many still active. One of them, Mount Erebus, is among the few volcanoes with a constant lava lake, even in sub-zero conditions. The heat from these volcanoes melts ice from below, forming subglacial lakes and accelerating glacier movement. Some researchers worry that rising volcanic activity could destabilize the ice sheet, speeding up sea level rise. But others see it as a key to exploring Earth's geothermal mysteries hidden deep beneath the cold. Antarctica is one of the closest environments to Mars and Europa. Dry, frozen, dark, and isolated. That's why NASA and other space agencies use it to test life detection equipment. Microbes found in Lake Whillans, Lake Mercer, and even in ice cores have survived in total darkness for millions of years. These organisms are proof that life can exist in the harshest conditions. Exactly the kind of life we might someday find on other planets. So in studying what's under Antarctica, we may actually be studying the blueprint for life beyond Earth. While most research in Antarctica is collaborative and transparent, certain areas remain restricted. Some zones near Lake Vostok and other anomaly-rich regions are off limits to outside researchers. Satellite images are sometimes blurred. Why? Governments claim it's for safety or environmental protection. But conspiracy theorists point to secret installations, hidden discoveries, or military experiments. Whether it's something unusual or just bureaucratic, it adds a layer of Cold War-era intrigue to Antarctica's already frozen mystery. The Piri Reis map, a 16th century Turkish map, appears to show a non-ice covered Antarctica with accurate coastlines. This baffled historians, since Antarctica wasn't officially discovered until 1820, and modern imaging of its true coast was impossible before satellites. Some claim ancient mariners had knowledge of the southern continent before it froze. Skeptics argue it's just a coincidence or misidentified land. Still, the map remains one of the strangest historical puzzles linked to Antarctica, and adds fuel to the theory that something down there has been known all along. Antarctic ice isn't just frozen water, it's frozen history. Ice cores from the continent act as time machines, preserving bubbles of Earth's atmosphere going back 800,000 years. Scientists use these to track climate shifts, volcanic eruptions, and even cosmic events. Each layer is a page in the planet's diary, and deeper cores could reach back over 1 million years, offering clues to Earth's cycles. Antarctica may be cold and silent, but its ice tells the story of Earth itself. Less than 1% of Antarctica has been explored beneath the ice. Every radar scan, core drill, and rover mission reveals something new, often something no one expected. We're not just dealing with a cold, lifeless continent. We're facing a world that holds secrets from before humans existed. The challenge isn't just scientific, it's logistical, political, and philosophical. What lies under Antarctica could rewrite history, redefine life, or even reshape the future. But first, we have to keep digging, and that's what lies beneath Antarctica's frozen surface, a hidden world of lakes, fossils, mountains, and mysteries we've barely begun to understand. If this journey into the ice got you thinking, give this video a like, comment your favorite theory, and subscribe to Interestingly Quick for more deep dives into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking below the surface. There's more down there than we ever imagined.